Hello guys, Peter Mtale here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Peter Mtale. I own a grocery store that I've been operating for over half a decade now. Now, the advice that I want to give you all entrepreneurs, whatever business that you are doing or whatever business that you are in, don't go like this. Don't spread yourself too thin. Don't invest 1,000 there, 1,000 there, 100 there. No. If you have 2,000, allocate the all $2,000 on one thing. Let that one thing grow. Let that one thing multiply. When it multiply, you grow it from 2,000, 5,000, 10,000, 100, $1,000,000, $10,000,000. Then when you get to that point, then you can have a second business or a second company. Now you are making big investments. But when you are starting out and you have a small amount of capital, you get a small amount of your capital that you have, you put it there, and you put the other one there. That will never grow. Look at all the companies that have a couple of companies. They have a couple of companies, not a small side hustles or small businesses. They have companies. You will be able to create a second company, a big company, but now you are having it's more like a side hustle, but it's not a side hustle. It's a big investment. It's a big company. So don't go like this with your business. Narrow down. I was watching Patrick Bet-David the other day with Noah Kagan. I had admired him. I had admired the all accomplishment. But what came into my mind is Patrick Bet-David did not start where he is, where he saw this company, his insurance company, PHP, over $300 million. It did not start there. He started small. He grew that company to where he was able to sell it for over $300 million. So whatever that you are working on, whatever business that you are doing, don't spread yourself too thin by investing in too many things. Just start one thing. Allocate all your resources on that one thing. Let it grow. Learn how to operate it. Learn how to grow it. When it grows, it is going to give you the financial freedom that you are looking for. So don't make the mistake of maybe if I spread myself too thin or I invest in too many things, that's when I'm going to grow. That's a lie. That is the lie that is on the internet. You know, have five side hustles. I'm getting $100 there, $10 there, $50 there. That's a lie. It will never take you anywhere. If you want to grow your business, narrow down, niche down, find your niche, specialize, put your resources on that one thing, let it grow. When it grows, then you can invest in the second company. Thank you guys for watching my video, and if you find this video insightful, please give me a thumbs up, comment down, and subscribe. Thanks, guys. Bye bye.